Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Pilot EX-L. It's running super smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. And those LEDs may appear to be flickering. That's a refresh rate of the camera. They don't do that to the human eye. So it does have the fog lights up front, alloy wheels, and a sunroof. Also has a tow package. Go ahead and give you a sneak peek of the interior. There's black leather, power liftgate, all-wheel drive. Okay, here's your second row. Okay. See that it does have the pull-up window shades. There's your VIN right there, and I will also add still photos as well. There's two driver presets. Your Econ right there. If you look down here, you're going to see the 31,493 miles on this vehicle. And this is your stereo controls. It also shows up here and down here. We can also take it home so you can see that it'll control the trip computer and all-wheel drive torque and such as well. Your push to talk, your cruise control, push button start. So we come over here, we're going to go ahead and bounce this back to home. And you'll see that it does have on the stereo AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And then there's your Bluetooth right there with your phone. There's your Bluetooth logo. See, it does also have an auxiliary port as well. And there's your backup camera in HD. As you come down, you're going to have additional comfort controls, but it also has heated front seats and two power outlets right here and a USB interface, cup holders, and then you got your shifter right there, key fob, and additional stowage down in there, glove compartments. Then you're going to have your map reading lights up here with your sunglasses holder, which becomes a conversation mirror, and there is your sunroof, which we'll go ahead and close up. All right, and that about wraps it up for this vehicle on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It's an accident that resulted in minor damage, as reported on Carfax, from this passenger front quarter panel around to the driver rear quarter panel. Airbags should not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.